Hey, this is Lincoln with Atlas Den Removal, and you got to see this. It'll blow your mind. There's a bird, a little bird over there, and this is Jerry. He's a handsome devil. That's his. Well, where'd you get that bird?
We found that bird. It was a little baby, and it lost its parents, so we started feeding it with an eyedropper. Now we can't get rid of it.
It's a beautiful bird. I think it looks like it might be a pigeon. Can he fly, or what's he do?
Hey, look.
Will they get scared if I get closer to him?
Come here.
Watch, I'll move away. He's probably scared. Oh, what do you feed? What do you feed him?
That's bird seed.
Oh, well, that makes sense. Bird seed for a bird.
Come here. Come here.
He must not be that hungry. What's his name? What's the bird's name?
Killer.
Killer. Killer. Killer the pigeon.
Come on. Come on.
He won't fly. Because he knows he's going to be on the YouTube, so he's shy. He's very inquisitive too. He's looking all over at my messy office.
Come on.
But I'm not going to make any excuses. His office is always this messy.
Come on.
He's camera shy. He must not be hungry.
Come on.
That's a pigeon. That's what that is. There's a ton of those in New York City. It's gonna peck me, I bet. All right, Jerry. Have a good day, man. Don't forget your bird when you leave, all right?
Thank you.